here. It's a very windy day.
Try to get it over.
Try to get over.
And make sure it's right. Yes. Perfect.
Whoa! What?
Stay safe. Stay safe.
Oh, that's Toby.
Yeah,
That's
good.
Toby.
I thought Mike was safe. Yes. Oh, come on. Stay low. Fall down. Fall down. Oh, that's in a good area. That is a good spot.
Actually, that might have gone OB too.
Alex, that spot, if it clears everything, it's open down there for an easy up shot. And also, I changed it to a par 4. It's not a par 5 anymore.
Yeah, it's a par 4. Woo! Yeah, because you're a lefty, huh?
Lefty, I gotta throw just the perfect understaple.
Yeah, I like that. Oh my god.
Oh, it flattened out.
Wow, that's
Nice up. Woo!
That might be
Way too far.
Oh yeah, don't go. No.
Levi drove and the disc caught the wind like a sail. Nice drive. Nice, Levi. Wind just blew over the basket.
Oh, come on, Lee.
Do it! Punch it in! Oh! Oh!
Not working out for me at all.
Right as he was flattening.
I did not completely have to putt. It looks like.
Oh!
So
That's the
heavy.
3D printed one, huh, that you did,
But
Levi?
Levi,
One of
where's
them.
your?
Yeah.
So much.
You're like you made one that's so good.
I
It's
made
like
two that's so good.
it literally flies like a destroyer. It's like,
Wow.
I
Oh,
made
that
one.
basket's down too. Another man down. Everybody shanking. It's the Shankster crew.
Should I throw fabric?
That works. You can putt that. Ooh, you can putt that, kind of.
yeah.
What?
Oh no. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I couldn't even track it. Alex
sad.
putt from right there. It dropped in, bounced out, and we have a roller,
Wow,
folks.
that's how easy it